All right, I want to take a minute to go over the instructions on how to make a trading card today. Um, that's our main focus for today. The first thing we're going to do is turn in your research document, which is this guy right here. You should have a bunch of research, 5 sources that are all credible and different, and I should see all of your information here. I'll go over that at the beginning of class. So today, I'd like everyone to start making your cards. There are detailed instructions in the project overview. That's your day 3 and 4 checklist. So when we look here, it's going to give us the Canva website and the information we need to search for and what we're going to do. So once you're on that site, I'm going to walk you through some steps. And you can click right here. And what you guys have to do is you have to log in. I've already done it and it won't let me do it. See, it remembers you every time you come back. So you're going to sign in using your Google account and it's going to take you to this screen. And what you'll do is you're going to search business card. Okay? And what you're going to do is there are literally hundreds of different cards to choose from. So let me kind of go here and I want to create a blank one. I'm going to make one for Hades. And what I kind of want to do is I am going to select a template because I like this one. I've recently used it. So let's go ahead and use this on the front and let's just start at the start. It's a card for Hades. Okay, it's not Hades. So, and the thing is, what's tricky and what you got to kind of do is you got to kind of play around to find out where the text boxes are. And Hades is god of the underworld, right? Now let's put an image in. We have to go to photos and I'm going to search Hades. Ooh, spooky, scary. I'm going to kind of go with one of these up top. I'm going to just drag it over here. You see how you drag it and it pulls it in? Maybe that. Nice little burning, little fire area. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my templates and I'm going to start working on the back here. And this is kind of where you have to play around with this and figure out what you're going to do and how to do it. See, I'm enlarging the text box, but I want it to go vertically. I'm going to move it up here, right? I don't need this. And I'm going to start putting my information in. And I'm just taking it from here. His symbols were the scepter, Cerberus, drinking horn, and the cypress tree. Let me see if I can copy and paste, if this will let me copy and paste it. Yeah, so it won't let you copy and paste. So you might just have to put it on another tab and you can kind of type in what you want to go there. Some people will figure out how to copy and paste, and if you do, please let me know. So obviously, I got to fix this. Chronos, capital C, and Rhea, capital R, right? See, aren't we getting our facts in here? So we want to delete this, Hades. Let's just move this text box over here because we'll use it later. And you see what I'm doing? I'm basically playing around with the features that are already here, and you'll be able to get your information in. The more you play with it, the more you'll understand it. Some of us are going to feel the impulse to go to other sites and try other things and make a Google Doc or make Google Slides. That's fine, but you're taking a risk. You're kind of going off the reservation. The main thing is when I go to grade this, I'm looking for this information and I'm looking for effort, information, and we spent an entire week on this. So the thing is, I'm expecting a week's worth of work. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be in the Zoom the entire time. I'm just going to take attendance and then let everybody get to work. So let me know if you have those questions. Good luck today, and I look forward to seeing your cards on Monday.